What if I told you that some of the car brands you've grown up with, the ones your parents drove, the ones you see in parking lots every day, are secretly dying? That behind the shiny showrooms and TV commercials, these companies are gasping for breath, clinging to relevance while the world forgets them. Some of them are losing money faster than they can print brochures. And one of them, it used to outsell Toyota. Today, nobody wants it. Curious? Good. Because by the end of this video, you'll be shocked at who made the list and who might disappear next. First, Mitsubishi, the forgotten legend. Once a powerhouse in the 90s with icons like the Eclipse and Lancer Evolution, Mitsubishi was every tuner's dream. Fast, affordable, and fun. But somewhere along the way, it flatlined. Today, Mitsubishi sells mostly budget crossovers like the Outlander and Mirage. The Evo question mark gone. The Rally Art legacy, abandoned. In 2022, Mitsubishi sold less than 1% of all new cars in the US. Consumers see it as outdated, underpowered, and bland. And reliability? It's fallen hard in Consumer Reports rankings. Even psychologically, the brand name evokes nothing anymore. It's not exciting, it's not luxurious, it's not trustworthy. It's just there. Auto analysts predict that without a total reinvention, Mitsubishi may not survive the EV revolution. 2. Fiat, the Italian that failed in America. Fiat returned to the US market in 2009 with flair. It promised Italian charm in a tiny package, but reality hit hard. Sales peaked in 2012, then dropped like a rock. The Fiat 500 was too small, too impractical, and too quirky for mainstream American buyers. In 2022, Fiat sold fewer than 900 cars. Yes, you heard that right. 900 in the entire US. The psychological disconnect was real. Americans want space, power, and presence. Fiat offered none of that. Today, Fiat's future in North America is uncertain. One more bad year, and it could be gone completely. Third, Chrysler, the zombie brand. Here's a brand that technically exists, but barely. Chrysler only has 3 models in its lineup: the Pacifica minivan, the Voyager fleet version, and the ancient 300 sedan. Once a titan of American innovation, Chrysler now feels like a relic. Consumers under 40 barely remember the name. Sales have plunged. Dealerships are giving more incentives than ever, and the brand has no EVs in its lineup. A death sentence in today's market. Industry insiders say Chrysler survives only because of corporate inertia, but without new blood, it may be headed for the graveyard. Infiniti, the identity crisis. Nissan's luxury arm once competed with Lexus and Acura, but now it's floundering. Infiniti's designs are dated, its tech lags behind, and its marketing confused at best. In 2021, Infiniti's US market share dropped to just 0.4%, and the brand hasn't launched a groundbreaking vehicle in over a decade. Luxury buyers want cutting-edge design and innovation. Infiniti offers neither. Psychologically, Infiniti lacks prestige. It doesn't turn heads, it doesn't inspire, and for a premium brand, that's fatal. 5. Jaguar, the British tragedy. Jaguar has always stood for elegance, grace, and racing DNA, but in recent years it's become a case study in decline. Despite aggressive investments in electric vehicles like the I-Pace, Jaguar's global sales have slumped. The brand suffers from quality issues, a lack of dealer support, and an identity that's neither sporty nor luxurious enough to compete with BMW or Tesla. In the US, Jaguar sales fell over 30% year over year. The name still has class, but the product doesn't back it up. Analysts say Jaguar could survive, but only if it fully reinvents itself as an EV-only tech-forward brand. Otherwise, extinction looms. 6. Genesis, the silent climb, or slide. Hyundai's luxury spin-off, Genesis, launched with high hopes. The G80 and G90 impressed critics, but sales, not so much. Why? Brand recognition. Psychologically, buyers still associate Genesis with Hyundai, and while Hyundai has come a long way, it hasn't yet earned luxury cred in many minds. Genesis faces a massive uphill climb in the US. Without SUVs that truly break through, or a marketing miracle. It risks being another almost made it story. 7. Buick, the brand for nobody. Ask someone under 30 if they've ever considered a Buick, and watch them laugh. Buick is trapped in no man's land. Not luxurious enough for premium buyers. Not affordable enough for budget-conscious ones. Its sedans have disappeared. Its SUVs blend into the sea of crossovers. And despite strong sales in China, the US market is slipping. Even GM insiders admit Buick has lost its identity. If not for Chinese demand, it might already be gone. 8. Mini, small car, big problem. Mini was cool. For a while, the Cooper had charm, personality, and BMW engineering. But in a world dominated by SUVs, Mini's lineup feels outdated. The cars are small, the price is high, and the reliability, not great. Mini struggles with what marketers call perceived value. People don't see what they're paying for. And sales reflect that. Mini's US numbers are at their lowest in over a decade. Without a radical reinvention, maybe as an EV brand, Mini could shrink into irrelevance. 9. Alfa Romeo, the passionate gamble that failed. Alfa Romeo returned to America with the Giulia and Stelvio. Reviews were glowing, but sales, disappointing. Why? Reliability concerns, lack of dealer support, and steep prices for an unknown badge. Psychologically, Alfa fans are loyal, but few. For most buyers, it's a risky bet, and people don't want risk in a $50,000 purchase. Unless Alfa nails its next-gen EVs, its US chapter may close again. Gishanti Smart, too smart to survive. Once the poster child for urban commuting, smart cars now feel like toys. Low power, limited range, awkward design. In the era of Tesla, the Smart brand just doesn't make sense anymore. Daimler ended Smart sales in the US in 2019. But in other markets, it's still barely clinging on, now as an EV brand. Could it survive? Maybe, but only if cities radically change how we drive, and that's not likely anytime soon. There you have it, 10 car brands that are on the brink of extinction. Some of them will fight back, some will fade away quietly. But now we want to hear from you. Which brand on this list surprised you the most? Which one do you secretly love or hate? Drop your answer in the comments below. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more brutally honest automotive content, powered by real research and insider industry knowledge. Because in today's car world, survival isn't guaranteed, and nostalgia doesn't sell.